Hi, my name is JackieGarza. I made up a board game called Mathematic Madness. Now, with this game, you would need at least 3 to 5 players, and the way that this game works is very simple. As you can tell, the yellows are going to be your start and your finish. These different colors represent different problems that we have or that are going to be in our card holders. The red one represents addition, which as you can see will look just like this. The orange will have greater or equal to problems. And then the blue cards will be the minus problems. And the black cards will be the mystery card. Now the mystery card holds different types of problems inside. That's what makes it a mystery. So, the way this works is the student will choose their piece, which is this pom-pom that I chose for them to use as a moving piece. The student will have to roll a die, and the student that rolls the larger number will be the first player, and the student that rolls the smallest number will be the last player. Now, the rules are going to be that once the student rolls, depending on what number it lands on, that's going to be how many spaces they move forward. And then whatever color they land on, to say if they rolled a 3, 1, 2, 3, they landed on a blue card, they would have to pick up a blue minus card, say the problem out loud, and they need to answer the problem correctly. Now, if they're having trouble answering the problem, and if another student helps them answer it, that means they have to roll the die and move back spaces. If they land on an odd number, they have to move back 2 spaces. And if they land on an even number, they have to move back only 1 space. Now, what's great about this board is that you can use this in center time during math. Or you can make multiple boards and you can use it in small groups. And you can challenge the students by using mental math and number recognition. I have 2 students that are going to help me show you an example on how this game will be played. As you can see, I have the board set up on the table ready for us to play. I'm going to go ahead and start placing our cards that is color coordinated to where they're supposed to go. So like I mentioned earlier, we have our addition cards, our minus cards, greater, less than, or equal to, and of course a mystery card. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to have my students pick their piece colors that they would like to use and place them on the starting square. So, I have Orion that's going to be blue, Alina that's purple, and myself will be red. We're going to go ahead and we're going to start rolling our die to see who will be the first player to start the game. Okay, Orion rolled a 2. Alina rolled a 4. And I rolled a 5. So since I have the bigger number, I am going to go ahead and be first player. Alina was second biggest number, so she goes second, and Orion had the smallest number, and he will go last. So I'm going to go ahead and start the game, and I rolled a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I got the mystery card. I wonder what's going to be in behind here. Oh, okay. So I have 2 circles plus 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. So 2 plus 4, that will be 6. All right, I got it right. So since I got it correctly, I will stay in my spot. Now it is Alina's turn to roll.
1, 2, 3.
So you got blue. So you will pick up what color card? The blue coded card.
20 minus 7.
Okay, so 20 minus 7 will be
13.
good job. So 20 minus 7 is 13. She got that correct, so she will stay in her spot. Now, it's Orion's turn.
I got a 6.
Okay. So you would pick up the orange coded card. So read the problem.
42 and 40.
Okay, so which one will be greater?
42.
Good job. So you will keep that card and you will get to stay in your spot. Now, it's my turn to roll. And I got a 2. 1, 2. So now I'm even with Orion. And the problem I got is 15 greater or less than 3 or equal to? I think 15 is greater than 3. Let's see. And then we also have a key that would have the players will double check the problem to see if I'm correct or if the other players are correct. Now remember, when you have the answer key, you got to make sure we are not cheating. Okay, now my next player will go, which would be Alina.
2.
2.
1, 2.
So she landed on red, so she would get the red coded card. Read the problem out.
5 plus 5.
Okay,
It's 10.
good job. Okay, now it would be Orion's turn.
I got a 4.
Okay, so now he will get his piece and move 4 spaces. Good job.
36 and 37. Is it greater, less, or equal? 37 is greater.
Good job. So now, it would be my turn to roll again. We're going to do one more roll. Let's see what we come up with. I got a 1. And I got a blue. 8 minus 4. That would be 4. Good job, me. Okay, now it would be Alina's turn.
Got a 5.
Oh, she got a 5.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5. Now sometimes we need help each other out in moving their pieces since they can't reach. So what color did you land on?
1.
Okay, so what card would you pick up?
22 and 52.
So,
Is it greater, less, than, or equal?
okay, so
I think 52 is bigger than 22.
good job. Okay, now it will be Orion's turn. One last time.
A 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Red. 21 plus 3. That is 24.
good job. So, as you can tell, with this board game, it is very easy for our players to get involved in this type of game. Now, according to your lesson plan, it is very easily, like I mentioned earlier, to change the card problems and change it according to whatever you are learning in that particular time. Or you can make it challenging for your students and change the problems to multiplication, division, and this could go into any grade level board game as you would like. As you can tell, this game is very enjoyable to either make at school or even at home with your family when it's family night, game night. I really hope you enjoyed watching this demonstration of how this game was played. I encourage you to go ahead and make a board game at home or even at school for the students to enjoy playing and doing some mental math. Thank you.